All right, then on the 21st of January 2021. Yama Akwaba and Famra Akro Life so Facebook. And then you know interviewer Akro Life for Ashishe between the vibrant and a so sailors and you know exclusive interview at the our Akro Life. Now send on the 27th of February 2021 the Akro Life Rep Your Club Fun Games and you know Akro Life Ashishe say embrace so no yɛde bro ɛwɔ hɔnom but ɛnɛ no exclusive interviewer yɛne various clubs no so no ahyehyɛ sɛ yɛde bro no ɛnɛ yɛde two clubs abɛba dwumadi so na afei so no yɛne wɔn abɛdi nkɔmmɔ ɛde afa one clubs no one preparation towards games everybody so on the 27th of February and afei so no what's your team ɛda dwumadi no so no and you know developing our community through the youth no impact bɛn and these groups no ebenya okwapemang so and I say you know in terms of development okwamen so and you know youth no so no ebetumi aboa ama okwapemang so no etumi afa na ntoma pefra we ni na ma bi ani no akola for etumi consider what is ajumadi in eba ntene enye just a fun game and I say fun games and akola for what is name no ye say ni ebetumi develop okwapemang e afa young members no so ntina team no developing our community through the youth. Yama Akwaba biem and Famra Akro Life. So no send our no two groups ana ewo jumadi no so the vibrant ana fin so no sailors one and no mabedi nkomo ewo han but my fan is say and Fama and sponsors wo bo ama na show no eba so na Siman advertising ana fin so no Akro Media me fan na say and Fama ewo but on so no 27th no big show no abeba so ewo na yam past sponsors and I say headline sponsor on the day no best sponsor the Akro Life Rep Your Club Fan Games no Dutan Presidential Court you know where under Dutan groups so one and headline sponsor supported by Siman Advertising and a facing Kumi Concept Major Pharmacy Adites Mimi's Closet wonya ereboa ama jumadi no etuma kona na kra mu no BHG Studios so no eboa ama jumadi no so na etimi akoso eri amount tika no zene no 27th of February Akro Life Rep Your Club Fan Games so na beba so meeting ane na Kwame Amponsa edina answer na no bema me guest no beba studio no only say and then COVID-19 no real so as COVID-19 real the senior and then the government on the TNF in some campaign area to go no on manager wabo ho ba na wa share face mask kama na afin so no yare no ebi entimi anchino no ma tefo nyina kwa ba Famra Akro Life Facebook obetuma share live okwa o like page no o share na afin so no o do comment e dey aba every pem no e be kinkan ni nyina e dey amasa so na YouTube no Akro Life GHR and I had you ba Mesaka sailors ewa and I say a sailor then you know what also when you are sailors but one rep ewa hanoma and they mean ba be din komo na yakoye ni wonu say games na ba so ono so no a very very influential person ebe kwopon so a youth then you know sailors group na and as sailors na we kwopon no and you know kwambe so na yin be fa aka yen wabo na fin so kwa man development no let me area ba ti ma me community awon eja me man akwaba na me yin fan komodi chuchu no an shisha so inu akwaba
me je oziminia na bomwe
na me adu bibi aboko na so
ya oba de ada right
so you were 2021 yen sheda nshi andi nkomo ye nti ma me ma official pan so
aben ko oziminia aben ze na Akro Live akasim kura nya kitwa yi biem ye tumpong ye kwenim
ba ne ma me ma boarding won na fe so no opposition wo Akro sailors sailors na fe so no ye de nkomo jiji no ahyehyɛ so ha no sa
wo for me say sailor tuntum me a founding member I'm a sailors
okay then you know a founding member I'm a sailors no ana me saka na wa ni any sailor tuntum then me ma be din nkomo area fa the sailors group no but me na e dikan na me bisa sailors one info
me das minia me das bio ba sailors mrante ana mebu merman kwa ayewo ekopon as a Muslim centered in ekopon namfo ye de agori in February abesi sa dem ti say sailors in the high club there's a sailors club all right but namfo nti ai mutete na be den go namfo a won asan won aye ya be for me cool I think they namfo have from different ages and different backgrounds and education and ya ba be shia na ya bete yeto sa cool yedi ego ye mfe bebre ni me mfa mani mu a there is 204 205 and a good in the starting kakanga bi mo wa we seniors sing we were genius but we came together as friends yedi ego che edu be bi na say ye ade bi na ye ho bobom and that's the formation of Silas started. They started no I don't know say o remember to as well.
Okwa mention na Silas mo fast by.
I said na boy make am say we bi but there was baby agent here ko enim kaka e Sabrum Junction. You say there's a platform bi wo a now is what it is so udu big house hanoma nso be say hu bi mo ho. Ye ba to mpanfu wom. O ya fra wutwam bu say what it wo. Mpanfu atwam bimugu so abata ne wo ebe ye beto se no wotana saa ho ye nso ebedu baabi akwaye se beka se ni disi so ene ye nso ye hu ye wie suku ana ntiaso maaye dwuma se maaye no ye nso beka ye wo saa di ni kwaye se there was a common name bi na because of you who were worship nti started say obi be fro sheep mu boys so edi eti na akwa so obi ma mu invite class mu mura baby a said you know so we thought about it and this name came about so we call ourselves Sailors nti now for egori di ni baby a yekot baby a yetna di egori hu and ma this formation of Sailors then bye
America Sailors no ding bebre wo na den some for sailor and the meaning of sailor
yeah and I'm because of akone say na hono makwa say wo frɛ be kwa me se ni etem wo frɛ wo se ship mu nti edu be bi na kofu ma invite ship mu boys so we thought about this okay so it's still about the ship and yinimadia Silas eye wo insuso so otina majira so we thought about that name say ebe ship mu na ahwekwa obi are nte adequate potting as so we chose the name Silas so that is how the name came about
but answer na mama wato aso no what we say jumedi no between the vibrant and afin so no Silas the name no vibrant no already one join me wana bibia so no enya kama then vibrant so no etimi ajoin but answer me vibrant I remember Sailor Tuntum so now one of the founding members of the Sailor group Sailors group no na me bisa no and you know me just answer no be too cool and I don't know all new missions and any visions more die so anything
Sailors yen die so and say yedi yen ho bebom as youth na encourage the other youth groups or your main focus education to be sure young programs are our popular and abe landmark here that young breakfast anytime you have breakfast people will bring around to give talks ninyina are centered on education and no yeah one year or pan hu yan get say you do a train na san ho bi ye moaboa like we helping each other ewo yetie say ne ya to ku ya yenim say ye nti ku ase tu ese ku no enfaso bi ba ku ne so keke nti eno so kan bi say ye be boa ye ho e ba employment and those kind of niama ewo ye community mu niama obi hu ku e be say ye hu ne ye twi youth adwena abaso so be sure I'm not saying it's a group with new chroma but it got to a time the reason why I've been say after there have been many groups makata maybe two programs and maybe other groups I think we are older than them all right meaning say either the obi obe ben yen kakra travel and see meaning say once one high now for say that other groups one high now for right but to come together to form a group like Sena, you who be London girls niche one or one. I think will be so. Yeah, answer me. Because you say interest mekande interest and my say we formed that group and after young you know was a man for once what we go ready I would di keke no so I then aba asabe for me go. This is what we want to do. Nti niamapa ne pese ye apart from saying go obi ahwe enso no so yenso yento yende yen ne yefa di nto so ye pese bibi foforo ebe ye ne se nim ko bia wa brabom a ye benya ho opportunity bia no yenso ye bema afoforo nso ehu no ngasua bibia fie yeah
tani no sela tuntum ana otene ngawa meko minsani first name say the vibrant onso no o abedu a o hwe vema wo kura wo di hura mu e wa na say on the 27th of February na de ebe ding na de e wo do 10 presidential quarter here Acro Life Rep Your Club Fan Games but medical akwo na introduction no what the amame when we boarding na positioner ukura ewo aye vibrant cool ni mo no na so ye member na wa kire na etie fo nso no ehun ma start e dey afi mi sani first hour ha me won say gentle jack and kasa no ojina ha no mama mbi official pa
afin come to here
then udin any positioner ukura wo aye vibrant
me the honorable Edmond J Williams na me secretary ama the new vibrant group.
Okay, you know, Honorable Edmond
J Williams.
Okay, J Williams, sir. I know secretary to the vibrant group. I know so na be primo. Mama ko na fin so no. O ko se no no ba se na I come then they won't say kase ko na ye di na eji no so ba. The one with difference na e wo mu no. Eti ana me ko na be some na needing ana on position na ukura e vibrant group.
Me think the Eugene Yabua Hadi. Me organizer ma vibrant.
Okay, then no organizer nankasa ewa ha Eugene Yabua ono so na ewa do na friend wa yi ono so ewa ono ye organizer at the vibrant group. That's the vibrant no bodybuilders boom because mo film body na ba ha na ma hwe me hu yi asembesi me no official pa
afin ko beto afin se na hoden na Acro Life so akonanim.
Amen udin at the position akwa vibrant
yo medindi eje joy dodo na frame opare bi aba me ye member e o new vibrant ni.
Okay, nteni no opare bi aba ono no mega say active member ono ye active member ana watene kana ono sabe kuemu ya wantene vibrant no say akese wom ana nketo wom sizes no bia bi wom na wa wonya aka wo abom say kuwa ni wo beboa ama developing okuapaman no so no atimi akoso ewa ntene dika ma mesha simvefi secretary no so we baby o ka general secretary ono ntene vibrant general secretary ewa hanom any wakwe general secretary me say the affairs of vibrant group no also na it's day to day affairs of the group no so nisi okwa menso na any vibrant mo fast by
yo meda wase na mama etiefu nya so afishia pa minim say sabri vibrant ni bia ne baby owo bia orehwe sa program yi iti mesre on say wo ma me thumbs up ewo comment section honom na me say vibrant for no rehwe you vibrant ye cool bia merima cool mechire boys kan no yehia wo po ase em say oba ekropon a po ase de ba kope ewa himbrom kan na bi mu na ma phone friend say yakote but kan phone friend a himbrom odu a himbrom a na po ase wo na ye mranti bi a yehia wo po ase na ye di nkomo ye dwendwen ne ma ho na ya atua so mfi bebre a na ye hu say ye nuanom a ye de agora che nti say ye betena se ye bedi nkomo no ase ye pebibi na ye de ya ahoden ye nti utie ye ni kura wo say vibrant na se cha ne say ye vigor and energy na ye youth nso a ye more vigor more energy ire ade ye be ya ne say be ye ne mapa ni putujuma ma ye man nti ye fa to ye hu say ye beto ku na ye executives a wo be di anim ye nku ne ye mota ye si ani so say ye beboa ye members. We live in unity, love, and help each other to prosper. Inti say to me as any man nyina bua ku mabia na te say ribua yenkro ye ribua Ghana man. Inti vibrant ya hu ye new vibrant ayaba. I'm say a new vibrant yaba I'm say ye nya afikra ye na emom yegusu ye niema say ye beda ku ye di akire Ghana man wiasefo nyina na wahwe oche yenku nu a se na Acro Life de program ibe na ye hwe ye energy aye woni ade a ye say ye beba na ya beka dwumadin na akoso because wohwɛ mmeranteɛ bɛyɛ a games a wɔde bɛba hɔ yi de menyɛ ne sɛ yɛbɛba na yɛakɔ saa yɛnwi ni bi nti yɛaba sɛ yɛbɛboa na dwumadi akɔlafidi akɔ so sɛ woyɛ ɔbarima na wopɛ sɛ wodwan ne vibrant a ɛm sɛ me fie akɔ a mede me number bɛto gua na wafrɛ me ɛyɛ 02055155500 me susu biem 02055155500 vibrant crew na ɛyɛ mmarima nkoa only male group ɛmi anim na yɛayɛ mputudwuma bebree ɛwɔ yɛn mpɔtɛmpɔtɛm wo a wonim ne de wonim yɛba nkyɛeɛ nanso dwuma a yɛkɔ so a yɛpɛ sɛ yɛdi ma okuapema ne Ghana man no ɛm sɛ mmerɛ kɔ n'anim no nyinaa mobɛhu akro life adaroma nti mobɛhu no nyinaa iyo mema mekasa nware
ntɛne no ohun sɛ honorable AJ ɔno vibrant ɔno yɛ general secretary ɛde ma ko ohun sɛ wabɔ bibi atɔfa ɛde ama but mɛkɔ organizer no so na afei mene no ɛdi nkɔmɔ ɛsan sɛ ohun sɛ organizer adwuma no a na ɛdin sɛ ɔte ase wokɔ bare boaboa nipa ano ansa na wobɛnya nipa yi koraa aboa wɔn ano na agya mpo no mayɛ meeting koraa no ɛyɛ na ɛdin ma me bisa dwuma di pɔte bɛn na wodi woyɛ organizer minim na mu dwuma di pɔte bɛn na ɛne no wo sɛ da ɛyɛ vibrant school nim
vibrant ne de ɛyɛ cool foforo ɛna me nua ne kan ne yɛte wo 1 year kra ma yɛ by organizer adwuma de ɛyɛ den ɛdɔɔso wonim organizer adwuma meka kyerɛ wo sɛ merekyerɛ wo organizer adwuma nyinaa yɛmfi ya nɛ sisi a makɔyɛ organizer yi de ɛba yɛn sa acro life program yi ɛsɛ mehwɛ yɛ nipa ɛsɛ ɛba yɛn biribiara a ɛbɛboa ama acro life akɔ so no sɛ adwuma no ɛna ɛsɛ medi
ntɛne wosan yɛ organizer wo ana mebisa wo yɛnkɔ program ɛba so on the 27th of February 2021 acro life rep your club fan games mo preparation today my crowd say ni no mo abisi aka
yɛnya yɛkra nka program na yɛnkɔyɛ ɔkyena yɛaboa yɛ ho papapapapapapapa yɛkasi ɛware ma yɛn 27 fo no deɛ ɛware ma yɛnka yɛnya yɛnka yɛ ɔkyena nti sɛ wopa mo ma yɛnyɛ baako ɔkyena na monhwɛ ade
nti no Eugene Yeboah ana wate ne nka na ɔno no yɛ organizer ɛde ma yɛ the new vibrant ana ɔno nso ɛde na ano sɛ ɔgye mu a anka ka ɔno nko ade anka ɔkyena rep your club fan games na nhyɛ ase na wɔn how prepared a ɛne no vibrant no nso ayɛ but mɛma ɔparebea ba nso no adwene ne mu a ɔno no ɛyɛ member active member of the new vibrant nso na ɛnyɛ mɛ bisa no wakɔyɛ member yi den ne ka ɔma ɔjoin the new vibrant
the new vibrant no sɛna me nuanom a wodi kan no bɛkan no yɛyɛ mmarima bi a yɛte so a yɛho ɛden a yɛdi agoro wɔ faako akyɛ na obiara first no yɛnyɛ vibrant yɛn obiara yɛ program no invite yɛn a ɔba wo si po ase na po ase nso de wɔnyɛ hwe wɔ ɔnom ɛyɛ mframa anaa akwankwan nua ase na wɔwɔ nti yɛsɛ mu ne yɛsi yɛbɛyɛ ne yɛato ku ne yɛnya botae bi asi yɛn ani so nti no ba yɛn ku no mu a yɛnyɛ boa yɛn ho yɛ support you obiara na yɛahwɛ sɛ obiara bɛkɔ so wɔ yɛn group no mu wonni adwuma yɛ a yɛbɛboa wo wobɛnya adwuma yɛ na wo nso wo nsa akɔwa no anaa watimi ayɛ na ɛbɛyɛ sɛ yɛpɛ sɛ yɛaboa kuropɔman ɛna ɛnyɛ yɛn a yɛdi agoro po no ase nko a nana sɛsi a yɛadwa ne group no sɛsi na kuropɔn nyinaa anaa akuapem nyinaa obi biara a wopɛ sɛ wodwa ne biara ɛkwan da wa ɛyɛ sɛ wobɛtumi aba na wabɛdwa ne
but my mimi sa we na me nko sailors no 27th program no ba so which team a that program no so developing our community as a youth oje di say yan a ya koye groups a ye work upon ye kan ye hu bom a ye betimi ama ekropon impuntu akoso
enu mom de egoro a more be ye pa ebi say ekropon mabu no ye do so ya ready a ye pese ye adwuma na mum ye mu na papa groups ni nti eyi be ma ye ni na ba mu one na obi hia de bi obetime bisa no yonko ana mga bi aba nso obetime de akọ group fufuru na aye nti ni na so ne ye rebuga ekropoman na ne na ye rekoso
okay nti na bi ni opare bi aba ono no active member of the new vibrant nso no ana otene gaba ma me ko sela tuntumo na mbisa no rep your club fan games lebas wo hwe team a Edasona, and developing our community through our youth. Oje this sailors, much my boy, ama ukaman nkoso eneno yenina groups ayo woka memu nya ya shosha na set maka.
Minya medasi bi. Wobende. Na obia kaka wa hebia nze. Yenyina nze, nga adwiri ni nyina ye kopon kanko. Eni ne ekwapimi ne ho. Program yi edin sesan bi ne beba ewo yemu se ye nga adwin se anase the organizers nga adwin ye wo se program wo botai na enye se ye fa team keke ni de be bituma nya be bi afi eyi because it's a nice team and they say program no say be say the only time I be say the youth of this town ayen kabum like why are they on hubum pa time yes games over. It's not about hey no more, but those and then remember about say say oyini because it seems that you need as mebu we have a common a year you need a goodie. It is our program we and then I mean say but I need to we will achieve it.
Then still tuntum I say occurrence so adwani also efi sailors ni wa ono abeka ye ho ewa ne ha nti occurrence abeka ye wa but occurrence abai mami bisa no kwekwan program ne ba so ne no activities that was so ni bi speed we share draft ludo nyama bebre our indoor games ye beko hiking so Dutan Forest in aerobics the end of the sailors mo ba mbayade
oh ya see ya mebu ede we are going now was you betumi here the bia ade aye de dawo enye fiansa ne ye ba besua ye nti as what they are bade a good initiative I hope that they would keep on doing it every year bia nemfa nkabomumra but as to the game we ever participated you ever participate woni nyina me bi nga ya ampekura na ye be bobi ye merima mo but ye be gbo ampekura account say no wo pa enya hwe ye gori enyina e bedi bia just one games nti no we would play all games nti no mo hwa yan nim ye be ba
na me kan say games ni wa so nyina e betumi de say na me nua ne kan but be say yet adini nyina say paying the paying games in our son say we settle for nothing but the best young games oh na say vibrant won organize e bra ida ko bo ma tebia ye ko ba bia odidi e na say yende ne yengua ndi enya de a ye we ene no kware ye kwa ye we isia ye wa kabusia ye kwa akra na egoje kabu no bai yen
na Accra before you different from
Minia sanko won ko bi wa wo be kire o ma je ho e ko bo o present park enye izi nti yende na ade ne de ni ehia ne sa ade ne dulu so yende enye kasa but mmiri no duan e be hu yende the best eno kwa
Kwame em say let's want through challenge the amamo what will be ni bibia nti na yese mo marry ana
ye hweye ensam na kan de wom me didi won nan ase ya ko atutu kwan ne ade ye ma bia wo ye bia de wom se wodi nkonu ba ye ne ye ba be ye ye be ma won se wo ye mpanyin fo de nanso ye be je bibia ye ne wo be contest bia de ye be di afi wonsem
Aparabia Ben, make sure meaning when I table tennis and I yade over the experience I went from a table tennis. Which is say, over to me, I emerge as a winner in table tennis. I am a vibrant.
Oh, maybe we will be any say me. If we have him, I mean, and I'm about table tennis. Me, we have him 19. Me that's what you know. Me nanso. Me that's what you know. Me nanso. Me more ne moment. What's it then? What's it there? Comfort ni we only feel ne kura na ye na odi be twa no. Intimi twa me ho no de ye wo pa. Games no so de ekropon aba so ya. Yen wo friends po na se po ase games bi a wo ye we ekropon bi a yen ana ye di. Ne ya na ye vibrant for intimu a mo de mani to fam do ye di kura de dawo. Inti ne ya ne ye ni ka.
Okay. Me sha me say and then honorable agent me said that hu ba bi o because me she trophy e kura me sailors trophy a woko winning na me say what dey akere ewa ha wo she the year I say okay KBA games 2019 champions sailors one who winning trophy no na Osha citation and one Cropon awards night 2017 so Osha one who to me emerge as most disciplined group of the year and they sailors so you just say I prepared I just awards and don't want to but honorable Jedo Kura sa Adina mentioned and say oh vibrant and oh sailors
you maybe a founding member of sailors and I'm a founding member of New Vibrant Group and a Vibrant Group Mr. Secretary it's your name my cousin me who maybe I may participate but Osha official records here I say me come maybe I may secretary it's in a major venue sailors na dache yasu it sailors secretary about the also na me call Vibrant to her
uni asa we won say group on e group you group ne attractiveness enyo fault enyo fault say ogba o to be enyo fault so kofa aka wonu kra na kofa aka no be ti ye ne ma ye achieve ni nti ye ne I send ye hu ka bu ye kofa obohu a KBA games KBA ne social group be Facebook a very big very big and very vibrant one games were organizing the trophy since 2019 and you go and I return match last year but COVID in they promise Obia say 127 woman share and yet sellers what he did in Ankasa games in our one you be fat ya go need you be fat
Kwame Beme wa we organize and then no sellers as we hear the musun kunimu what your trophies and awards are we be as a bano ope group achieve ni amamo the sellers group
and yampa ya what trophies makoma ko 5 wo hoji say yenim say what the trophy be chira okay the south trophies ni na bai trophies bad ye chrome ya obi ali trophies insane
the Usha 27 for no trophy da arena so no vibrant mu we jako
o dande o ye nkasa bebre dande o
wow ntene no Kwame organizer adema Eugene Yeboa organizer adema vibrant and ana wat and gabat enche part 2 of the show no better about me secretary so adema and sailors on say two groups won we got why akrafo because akwa say no Jose Mourinho and Pep Guardiola o father and son no e won ntene fathers na e wa na sons no so e wa ha ni what they are no but secretary adema fathers no and sailors no e wa kwa kwesi sailors why ready
ever ready more than ready so can say yeah mo friend or battery we friend say ever ready battery and ne or condom a panta always come prepared in the we are prepared yeah ready yeah we are prepared now me to say minu an say vibrant trophies by well we be about so Canada menu ni say be ba na ba be banta no trophies no new trophies because na anka maybe say na vibrant no kra ba da be no we nya sa trophies 5 but
ni na ko be a o she Legon City steam we enka no we wow stars dey be we po asefo no we achieve sa trophies no
o sani ani e kan san ke yen we ko fair fi agusi akese ntani anka trophies ni niama ye ngaye wo Chrome and Chrome na kan anka ni yentumi nkan wi no na ankasa na okasa no ono wa ye adwuma wa agusi akese da ono ko abi na ankasa no ono ya no nya tutu
ono so wa admit say mo ye mpanyefo mo aja na but on the day 27 for the mo ye dan aja need ni waran fama
so and say mpanyefo bu be bi say ahene pa wo yi ayinkasa e na nkyere nso nkanfo no ho say den de adanse ngudi wo pa bisa wo so wakati woni adanse pa emfa clubs wo krom ya won a wan shankranka anka yesa mo frem anka won obi a obi a waka sellers for the sellers wo kra me kai memre da na ne yedi won komo kakra no se club wo won ayeko mo nkasa ba wonum ne pa ne botai bi ayan ade ayi betuma
propaganda wa
ade ayi betuma wonim wo wonum kwa me faru bi onum na ayi betuma onum na ayi betuma ene yakoya ya ka young trophies na local trophies crowd international trophy international
mami ko general secretary on the opponent wachire bibi kakra
me members wo di oyemi opponent but kakra mbese me ka wo mi kire say new vibrant fo na ye say jiwfo o mami ye bon ho modern wo wiase bia wo bekom na jiwfo shechi the vibrant phone who be about the home what to say lesson obeko na vibrant phone kakra ye dey etaji
mo de no bi bo no wara makota so na
asam no kan beze me kire kwezi ban ka asam na efe baba modern bo no kan say the ntie once a vibrant wo mu yetumi kire say oyi kwesi na ka so ye sila ye wo ye ntete we fo ha ye tete wo nti yes nti ade na ya kan nyina ne say yen ye boy ho modern ene ye tete obi ma onga kan ene wo de ko nti ni ya ma won product won't make good use or no. Ubeko baby kakra, enye kura mere groups in Angaza kura, you between my connection. Kura when you say mere groups beba.
Yenga na mumu ya.
So mo girls ana mo na.
Debi ana mo ya. Yumu and what mondia to group. We bra on congress so eba.
Kwame bra. Afare bia ba nse ni no onya nsem wi obeka. But on tin e ko so na se ana.
Oh menti ase se. Ore bisa no ore ka se mi se da beng na vibrant ne bai. Bible mu kura no o ka se mi se the Paula oden. What the Paula wan ban tem no. Wa besin e di kanfo. Intin what one ya tete ya ye ni hwia ya ka. Ya da wan atete wan atete ya mu. Na emom ye bedi won kan.
Then afare bia ba na o ka sa o ze ni no anya ha ana egorun be ko so 27th o pe yi bebre nwa abra Lutan Presidential Court na
amika bibi unsa yen selection no kwari ni ohwe inwe ekuaku abawo ekropon ye mamenfe ekropon yen ayen ho antweri obi a yeso obi a ansa no obi a bekwa akwu musoro onam yanso ndi so waba no obi twen teacher ni bi enu a o train student ade na se student entuma mi twawa na se teacher no unye teacher ni ba nti yen atetew kwasi aje yi yen atetew kwa mi yudi na nkasa won organizer no yen atetew ya nkansa we sport obeje ntete kakra kwa mi opare bia be yankasa no je ntete okra pino na eja no gina han nti yen ayen antweri a oba be fa yen so no wakumu soro na saa ne yepese ye nti ne yati ku ni se yenye ku ni se yen ho enkwa nipa nhwe anamon a yetu na won so won den wondi saa anamon no se betumi kura bia bia engedun wontwawo nti se wocha yen ho a ye wocha yen ho a enye hwe eye ni na kire se adwuma pa ne yen aye yen atete wo ngiye nti adwuma pa ne yen aye nti se wo betwa kwame se wo ba betwa yen ho a eye ni jesem yeda won ase sentete wa yede ma won na ne tire sentete wa yede ma won won ansu ya ne keke won afa mu biribi ene nti na wo pese wo twa yen won nti ne yebe ka ne se nyame nka won na wontumi enko sana yen so yekona.
Okay, but answer na be ko part 2 no so no my men ko various groups no so na ni no advice bi awo edema the youth of Ekropon most especially no o hwe niama ekoso Ekropon in terms of development Ekropon as ya ka chi kakra any advice be na wo edema youth na principal leaders of Okapman and as Ekropon assignment wo be ka che na principal wo hwe team na e da dwumadi no so developing Ekropon and as developing our community through the youth no Okwame so ne bit yinya bit mafa na fins yetimi achieve sa target na mention in fi scout so
me da se biu o hwemu a o se young asylum yenya letter from Acro Life because young aims and objectives and young aims on objectives and young we but e be there no na say ye pe Ekropon enkanko nti won aka say developing our community through the youth and you say yes because I hear kra ne so yen aye breakfast meeting be 3 me ka yen aye breakfast meetings be 3 ye de nkrofo etotoro wo by bi ne ma ko kra kumante yen MP na onambo na Amadu Kuasia meje yen former MCA then is Miracle Sabuaje and painful yeah invite miribi kwa invite MPP national current national organizer Samuel Kunum yade wo nyina by say yade esan development aye hia wo Ekropon ne yakwapem ya nti yade wo nyina by wo ma ne breakfast meeting no mun ne amembe ma Okapman aye den ene Ekropon akoson ene nti model letter ne by na yende nti ne yebe ka ne say yɛn nyinaa yɛnka yɛn ho mmom ɛyɛ cool na ya because school ni nyinaa vibrant menim sɛ wɔn botaeɛ ne sɛ okuafoma bɛfa ne ntamapirefua sɛ ɛka wɔn ho nkwan ade a sanka tutobidi ne de wɔ ɔdeda wo na mmom ɛnyɛ wɔn ho nkwan na wɔdwene sɛna yɛn sɛ lɛsi anwene yɛn ho nkwan a mmiri bi ɛyɛ last year saa atorɛnkyɛm si ɛyɛ pandemic yi yɛne agro farms yɛka yɛn ho bom a yɛkyekyɛ nnuan ne ade mema nkurɔfo wɔ kurom ha no nti menim sɛ sanka ɛka yɛn nkronkran ade a sanka yɛkɔ agro farms fɔ no ba ne ɛno sɛ wɔkɛse hɔ obokum fa no nkum oguare anade no mpa yɛmfa yɛni yɛn ade nanso yɛdwene kuro no nka nkɔn ɛna vibrant fo nso no menim sɛ nkɔmmɔ a yɛne wɔndi no nyinaa kyerɛ sɛ yɛn nyinaa sɛna bɛyɛ kuro no bɛtumi ayɛ dɛn atu mpɔn sɛna kuro no bɛtu mpɔn afa ɛnyɛ wɔn ko na ɛyɛ kuro no nyinaa because ɛka wɔn ko a kwame na wabdrɛse pɛkyɛ a wabɛgyina yɛ tanka dɛn na mmom yɛn nyinaa yɛadwene nkyirima obi ebi ɔrekɔ school a ne school fees ho ayɛ den obi ebi ɔrekɔ school a school uniform no koraa onya bi hyɛ obi a ebi a biribi koraa tɔrɔ bi koraa a wobɛhyia obi na ɔnam wɔn so yɛn nyinaa na ɛyɛ den ɛkɔ yie man ebi a na biribi nkɔ yie yɛbɛhwɛ mantam bi a pipe bi apae wɔ baabi ɛnyɛ afiansa na yɛrekɔ ne akɔ kɛse yɛkɔfrɛ bi a assembly ana but yɛn nyinaa yɛka yɛn ho bom a yɛtumi isiesie nti ɛyɛ ade a yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛsra ne sɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛnka yɛn ho bom yɛn nyinaa yɛnka yɛn ho bom because praeɛ wei woyi baako a ewu bato ka bom a emu te sɛ yɛn nyinaa ne vibrant fo pɛ akuapem kankɔn ne akuapem kankɔn ne yɛn nso yɛpɛ akuapem kankɔn ɛyɛ good sɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛbɛka yɛn ho abom na biribi a yɛhwehwɛ amu a okuapema no na ebi aka akuapema ne akuapem atu mpɔn no na yɛafa yɛn tamapa afira no ɛno ya na yɛn nyinaa yɛhwehwɛ
okay ntɛne ka kwesi ana ote ne nka no general secretary o final words advice bɛ na wɔ edema the youth of akuapem ana afin so no kwame so na ɔgye di sɛ young groups a yɛwɔ akuapem yɛka yɛn ho bom a yɛbɛtumi develop ɛyɛ akuapem
yo medase sɛ mpanyinfo bu baabi se ɔbaakofo nsa nsuo nyankopɔn anim kata nti yɛayɛ mmabu a yɛayɛ groups yi yɛn nyinaa ka yɛn ho bom a yɛbɛtumi ayɛ bibi pa de aboa young man na wohwɛ kurom a na sɛ ade kakra a mahu a ne sɛ yɛn youth yɛnye nsim biebi nso wɔ yɛn akyi na saa youth a wɔwɔ yɛn akyi mehu sɛ they are going wayward a wohwɛ lifestyle wɔ live a ɛnyɛ up to what is accepted by the community ɛsɛ drug abuse no ɛyɛ ayɛ mmɔɔ wɔ youth no mu a yɛpɛ sɛ yɛtu yɛn ho si hɔ na yɛboa na yɛyɛ nkyerɛkyerɛ ɛne biribiara ɛbɛma youth no ayɛ dɛ ate drug abuse n'ase na wɔn misuse drugs ebiem mpanyinfo sɛ mu bɛsɛ mpanyin to saa hyɛ mmɔfra di mu yɛayɛ youth yɛne future leaders sɛ ɔkyerɛ bi youth ni hɔ a na te sɛ ɔman nabɔ mpanyinfo nso wɔyɛ adwuma de baabi a wɔkɔ ahomegye mu a na sɛ yɛn mmɔfra na ɛsɛ yɛbɛtoa so ne yɛnni ntetew pɛ bi a ɛbɛha yɛn ntumi srɛ sɛ youth ɛwɔ ha no wɔn focus on education na sɛ wokɔ school na wɔn ma tete pa nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a ɔremba mbɛyɛ na obi nka nkyerɛ wo se asemasi ba na ɔyɛ se anaasɛ yi nti mɛsrɛ youth ɛwɔ akuapem nyinaa sɛ they should stay away from drugs yiw kakra mɛka kyerɛ youth na ne
okay ntɛne general secretary edema the vibrant and I say the new vibrant ana ɔte ne nka no honorable Edmond Ejei ana ɔte ne nka no ɔno ne sɛ wakɔyɛ adantem opposition ɛwɔ the new vibrant so what say let's not position wa ja wan to ama no so gba akɔhyɛ the new vibrant ana wɔgye position so you know what in the padodo na nka sailors ana face vibrant ana think about meko Facebook na face no messages kakra ba no makan ama na face the part 2 no abeto so part 2 no say na money dey no question and answers nti ne omo ahon ya the question ne ma wa hwa na me abesi aha nti ne ma meko Facebook na meko kan comment kakra at me aba with Trailer Portal they about yes we are the vibrant or no so no just ujano or in the vibrant
president vibrant president with Portal
the president and moral supporting with
yes I'm so welcome to Majuma same to welcome to
okay then they catch in and I are very ma they about unity of purpose okuapema youth arise for positive action Akro Life thank you then you know Kechi Nana ya Berma, and so then they Abba, or no traveling see her, and also I didn't then on those marks. Okay, you know, can be. Then it's you floors. I'm a quite game, as in the about say. We are not poor, say we are vibrant. And you know, my new trend, don't want to poor, say about vibrant. And you know, what's one guy I just said, no, Theophilus, you have to say, Sansana, Akosia Hansen about say, well done. On so the Sembo can say, at my groups are big people and Aku Life, the Makuning in a Sansana, lady single, they are about TNS all the way, forget the rest. Chima, you know, TNS of no one or Goma Canada, but just a Munkoda, Hantinino, and also the Nadia Sansana, Kojoko Pon say, was Abuja. Abuja get my phone, and you know, I can't go just say, Casano Dawson. Oh, what's the action not west in the Casano? There's a Dawson to my action, and Gosso. City of God. Okay, in the City of God, for no, prepare over.
You know, Yeminia. Oh, Yeminia, and when I met my, and when I still a see bit my. When you say, Yaka, we saw no Casan, and Yakasaka. We, if Lat was a factor November, Yan Casayaka, Yay, Numa. Yeah, money and Numa.
The City of God, Republic, we are up and Casa, will be answered. And then, Oshe, Nipado, Irish, and so once on every one day, Abba, every message snack, and back on area to us, area mountain. Yabako, near the part 2, no, area to us, area because Oshe live, Facebook, Acro Life, okay, like keep page, no share, I think so, all the comments. Abba, na bibi anso no etimi aye kama ewo ntene oko YouTube so abetimi anya videos ni bi ahye na bibi anso aye fe we can say Acro Life Rep Your Club Fan Games on the 27th of February 2021 eba so Tan Presidential Court na ni ya the group interactions no and interviews no ebro na brother na chairman no Simoni and travel and seafo ebe puemu ewa ha sanso na ene sailors and so and the new vibrant and so abe puemu ewa hanuma yede discussions and also to aso the amao make I say oche yan sponsors na wodosum oye jumaku bi na obe sponsor program eba so 27th of February na obetima ba na fin so obe sponsor opa obetima free number na all the sponsorship no aba na yedi nkomo ho ntene no number obetima free na fin so wetin obe sponsor Acro Life Rep Your Club Fan Games no 0247 33 93 0247 33 93 na fin so no oni mpanyifo yedi nkomo area for sponsors no but no BBS so to share but yamfa part 2 no and to us yamfa but rules of the game no rules of the game no obi abedi kama one rep na wa kama support we obi so you bisa question no so na ntimi asabetimi ade ama unipa na ono so no answer we group we ntimi answer question no ebe bonus ade yama the other group obi a 2 attempts unya answer no so correct 3 points bonus who are we win bonus answer no so no odeno 1 point zene no container no wa na ebenyo obi so me mic ni mo ma me anka secretary uba bua me ne organa be bua me na automatic ntina me ameso konkonim na bias bia entima menti o share area me kwa papers na wom and no number from 1 o share from 1 to 6 ana was ntina number bia baby san ho question na wa ha maybe so ntino ukoyi question na won tumi so dia na won ntino me wo so na ja me start here fi stainless so na ja where you back we ya na obo number na kire me number 3 why number 3 okay ntino question number 3 what comes to mind when you hear the name Efremamu? I don't ever watch you with your thing Efremamu. I don't ever watch you.
Efremamu di never imagine my young Ara assassin.
Young assassin, Presby him and
patriotic song Ghana anthem ni chi na yet aton.
Okay, did I just say the national anthem of Ghana?
Yeah.
Okay, then you know, correct, but Mano for 3 points. And then pressure pressure woman, you know, one shot. Mako can near one can, Mako vibrant so, secretary. Secretary, my own popoto, I said. And also, question 6. Harmless questions. Okay, the question number 5. Question number 5. Also, in which year was PCE established? Presbyterian College of Education. In which year? And Jawato Presbyterian College of Education.
1848.
Okay, correct. Correct. And 1848, and a Presbyterian College of Education. So no, it's me by Teneno. Yaji in Tansu, Esia, Adintene, work upon now name year Presbyterian College of Education by 1848, and a school no so no by the first training college be Ghana. And then 3 points. Timako Silas on also no want to see one question. Question 6. Also, which school in Ekropon was established in 1957? Which school in Ekropon was established in the year 1957? School in Ekropon, what town in the year 1957?
1957. Oguaman Senior High School, February 6th.
On the Mrani area, Jumawa. The name of the answer could out to upon a watcher. Eja where then go to meet all question we pen him. Eti pen akwa so na the once the men am your host of the show. Nyame so mi hu no returning officer. Nyame hu no na me ntene no wa twade eyo kwa pman na mmom no em say obi ma na po e de fie achi antene na no sa question no ma cancel sa question no enso e wo ho ntene no mo penalty na nan the more lose 3 precious points. That was so. It's no make vibrant so now want to see. Hold on. Question number 1. Question number 1. Echo. What is the name of the main sponsor of AcroLife Fun Games?
Luton Presidential Court.
Okay. The name correct. Vibrant and so not 6 out of 6 and in Sailors also no out of 6 no or 3. 2 questions I want you know and 3 points and our and more final question.
Before I remember final question also. We have asked Mika because now wo moderator wo na wo se wo hwe biribi but yan so yan aba ye ba be we now can if you better protest
send American no when I'm the returning officer now antene won't be after the show no bet me for court
after the show and you buy bet my boycott mo buy bet my boycott
it's pino what my buem the very say your member fe bia na amra de eso de adwuma
obi na wo you
ba pick o final question
any other boy
point boy for things I just say vibrant na na nya
oh the one but yeah man no grading
your point na mo ba pick ba ko okay then no vibrant is that you question number 2 and I say lesson so no question number 4 my main start if you stay here so one of picking question number 4 you traveled from Ekropon to Koforidua and there were only 2 trees along the road. Name them. Una o tu ban fi akwa Koforidua. Nua bien ana be won kwan so. But an nua bien no din.
Nua bien say dem.
Nua bien o ko fia e ko Koforidua. Udu adoso, ori san obomu na aforo na. Uhu nua abien e wo. Obebo din. Nature na
nature na ehwe but mo meyen kwaya de ne say mo bisa question bia say question bia yeke because nua yemu okwan so nature nua yemu into question
no enti asene sheda eni wo but to simplify it na say me ma answer no you were just fresh and old trees there be trees fresh ones and old ones but I think the producer next time question we I na one farmer but my say my bonus question I'm on bonus question and if me am ho ana me am ho ana meden wa who is the CEO of Luton Presidential Court?
Kwadwo Kwapong Kisiedu.
Correct. Nteneno Luton Presidential Court CEO Mr. Kwadwo Kwapong Kisiedu. The 3 points. Nteneno 1/6 out of 9. Question number 2. Okay. Question number 2. 2 snails are lying on the floor. What 2 snails? Yes, snails. 2 snails are lying on the floor. what will you do to determine the male and the female? Say mwa we bi en forma wana wogu a okwa men so na be fe say we your bia and say we your berema.
Sino de ade a minim ni say obi anim na oberema ni mo nyina ato.
Correct. Correct answer. They don't say honorable em say no say oh you smart. Nwa de ye ni obia ana ye ni oberema. Wo nyina wo nyina mea. The no question and answers no yemfa NC na yento asumti at the end of the question and answers no. 3 questions are you bisa the vibrant no. Obo modern etwa nyina emo nya 9 points so na and you know the sailors no so no 3 questions no which are 2 when you 6 out of 9 internal question and answers and that's the game of the day no and you know vibrant so no etimi ewini you know emeko nothing say for final comment area feed various groups no mameko kwa me yebo no organizer na feed some ni final words in front to
say if you ask me di kan ka jere wo say wo yem panyin fo de my baby ye be share wo mi ade ye be make sure say ye be di won kan ni esi wa ha nei kire ni ye ba be yo 27 for no nti wona won so ya bo ye hu an ye ba
the organizer Kwame Eugene Yeboah na watin ka just the way they just prelims on the 27th of February 2021 oba doing the actual show no mama ko na me take the final comment every few
yeah that's it Agro Live the course is here ide I say benfu we bi say oni afra kokotobo a wabo bi ahya nsa then ye je tunzi ye benfu nti oni afra de ko be bi say na wa anya afra bi di waji ye twa wa na nka program waka against waka so wonje nti dafe wo mra me final some me work and say the youth of Ekropong ye wa asudi eda ye nso me if it's abri we cannot yet to find share obiara when we fail. One, see nya selfish interest. Na ya ma together as youth. Near the selfish interest. And I'm Ekropong ha. The younger generation and nobody engage you, they will blame us. Remember one example. Let me say many as our platform. Remember one example. I remember some time back. This will be National Health Insurance Office. That was one time. I mean, who said the youth of Ekropong in Kabum Abem from every Bronx Subia Munantuane Mudua. No one will hide your animal because missing no. One. Satam near the Hubombun, swooning Hua, a bumping full mua. I care course, but if you walk on, and also I'm by a no. Anything office in Gusu, Siwa, 1 year for it. It will be addition in trim say any time I bet you boom as a youth one, you better bring a result. Near Cosso, near selfish interest. Near my infant Pasubia, Mrayan, near BDAT, near Hay Quay, near Quindia. Then when we fail, you blame you bia. Seeing I see a busy moving forward, and yet met you no Macau Subang, Lubia Cabia Yenti, yes, the humble boom, young generation, you better do so. Now, it's a war, and I'm a friend of mine. Seeing I use a bed, and yes, idea, then we cannot blame you.
Okay, internal secretary, and as a founding father and a co-founder of the Sailors Group run out in Kano, Kalkwesi, and so secretary Edema, the Sailors Group. What's the Eugene Yeboah and another organizer, Sansona, William J. and so no secretary Edema, the new vibrant, and our face on Oparibiaba, and also no, and so a member Edema, the new vibrant, and what's the one can you might know I very, very interesting. Hanum say and would me share on Facebook. My fan as I say and fama Obibia on Yakunya share on Facebook. One thing I'm better maker chair nipa share anything some penny for woke up memo. And in Mebunga woke up memo chest. Jumedia you know. And yes she and ye BBNT and no Okropong and I say Okapman and Kosom and I yenya yeshe mpuntu Okapman e deserve no and I yenya yeshe. Unu yenim so Okapman we deserve better. Okropong we deserve better. Yenya yambra Nenka Humbum on the 27th of February na yen dwendwene ayo kwapaman ane ekropon especially yen puntu ane yen koso kwa men so na yen youth no yebet mafa na mo kwapaman afa ne ntamapa e dey fra anya just entertainment na mo no kwapaman enkoso ana yen nya ya hwehwe responsibility ada yen so say youth no on the 27th of February no yen nya yen hia na yen ka yen humbo na kwapaman so no entimi fa ne ntamapa enfamfra me just general secretary
yes
and so shout out to be abema
yebe kra no yeah members and to my many baby will be a minister warrior. That's actually a comma honorary member, former MC Dennis Abuaje, baby will be a minister warrior. Now 27th on Yankasari Repo Life. Now Asudika cry oma Okuapema youth in say Kangno work is a woofy Okuapema. Not just say one to two pa say Usurade Ubuade. Inti se adwuma kra na akɔpɛ na wɔte sɛ ofie akropɔn a wɔfa wo inti mesere mabu abase saa tradition na wɔn yɛ maintain tradition na mpɛnfo ni jama yɛn wɔso twɛ okuapema mu a ɛna akropɔn ha na school fee ase 1828 inti mesere mo frɛ ni nyinaa sɛ wɔn kɔ school na wɔn sua ade na wɔn benyim bɛn mpɛn pa ɛda ase
ka kwesi adolfo bi a bɛkyia wɔn a quick one yɛ
so shout out na de akoma sailors crew ni nya obi a minim say sabri obi a hwe yen won a won anya bra wore hwe yen a won so bi a bibi nti won to me hwe yen minim say later on wo be hwe yen enu ati ni yen panfo bi yen patrons be big afro chairman obi a ni mun pa kwesi sam aka yen panfo no bi onu minim so o hwe yen nana ya ewuku sam na mo ya boy ni ene Uncle Eugene, on the son of your friend, the baby ado, but Nidini Eugene, Edu, and in Penfuni na once one abuya my program in Sorabasun, when that one answer. So I mean, I can say, can work as you have now, body bribi are tacho. When you can't grow, was young, your bear will be cry, yes, and Pacho, Miss Wayadan, Abua, by the Sanya man in the and if you best name abu ha ohia recommendation abu papa say we be recommend one mo bi say oh asemesi ano yi obetuma say en by say hu sa den obi a still an akoye say dey ya da so yes amasa na yo yes amasa ni dey say be yes amasa na so say won so mo be recommend ya na mo ebi wo ha mo ebi wo be bi na opanyin bi a oye okrofoni ana so oye ukapini mo ebi wo na hwe na hu say o hwe na abofra betuma aboya na baby eso odi no wadu a na waboya no because enhwe ne eno npa ko na obeboya no otena ye bia no na oye den ono so ba beboya obabi ana say wonena bi a oreba nti yen koso ya na yen boaboya yen ho ne yen kambo mu na yema ukapman ne ekropon fa ne tamapefra ene ana mitumi aka
okay nti yen aka kwesi ase say ni no the final words nso no ere atuga ewo ho but yen no bibi ase so nya especially yen sponsors what sponsor Jumedi and afin so no Akro Life Rep Your Club fan games so no Akro Life Sansona at this stage on open the papa at the open beverages near the animal o contacting at this stage nsa ebetima ka bi Sansona Mimi's Closet about entire park on so no Sansona BHG Studios on so no as the good music is the soul of and I say the source food the name eba njum papa but o recording nyum ya jingles na there o contacting BHG Studios also bebo na afin so wetin I recorded nyum Sansona Kumi Concepts was making your brand stylish about branding and idea which Akro Life yam branding bibia na Kumi Concept and etimi edima Sansona Dutan Group also no so ya singa ni edu Jumedi no ebro na no krakra mu no which major pharmacy as Let's Heal you and so boa eba inru openru atwa dia down when chimo major pharmacy nsa ebetimi aka Seaman Advertising also no eba printing of banners posters bibia efa advertising and printing one who contact Seaman Advertising also no betimi aboa na won aye ede amao mfa na sika cbm emfama Akro Media also na boa ama aye banners ni ade nyina wo print ede ama na sika se enkoma Akro Media ana afin so no Akro Life crew ni nyina mfa na se emfama won yenda sailors na se na afin so the new vibrant say na obepue mu ma ye di Jumedi the Ebrel, which are a very, very interesting program. And then the Ebrel. Because Tuesday, no, there's Simony about an affair, so no, travel and see from so be premium, and then Celeste on affair, so no, the new Vibrant, and so let me about. Prepare there, and the next week, Tuesday, another group, so about near the interactions, so no, as so, I'm a on the 27th of February 2021, Aku Life Rep Your Club Fan Games, so no, about so our Dutan Presidential Court. I say, team, no, developing our community through our youth. Young fancy Tuesday, I'm a cameraman, I say, and I feel so no, Joe, ono Ebuama, and you made no, of course, so Obibia or Utimisha, Minda, Obibia, and Quaku, Menda, Nana F. Ketia, the second, Amanda, say, on you cap, Mana Fins, no, Cap Madisina, Obibia, work upon you cap Memono, Minda, Obibia, Nana Kwame and Ponce, Dinimidi, Muchunka.